So we are at the entering of this building.
There is the main entrance of this building. There is only one entrance and two big elevators. As I said, this is a government program, and there will be two big fire-resistant lifts. I mean, big lifts and the fire-resistant system. From this side, you can see the stadium, and from this side,
yeah, the stadium is quite.
Yes.
Generally, you can see even people on the stadium during the match.
I cannot tell you that you can check inside things, but people you can see.
Okay, and what is the price per square meter in this building? The minimal and the maximum?
Yes, as usual, it's depend on the floor and the view. The minimum one this is $470, and the maximum this is $650.
Here we go again with beautiful Shurena today.
Hello.
Yes, we made videos about the main house of Lighthouse Company. It was here on the alley of Heroes, and now we shall take a walk. And can you tell us more information about your other house?
Yes, so our company has a different kind of project. This is our main project, this Sky Tower. This is more like a residential complex, but of course we have a usual living complex like a Status House and the Luxor. But today we are going to tell a little bit small information about Status House. This is usual living complex located in this area near the stadium. You can check the view.
Let me show where it is. We can see it from here. This building is here. We shall take a walk there and shall speak there about the building. Oh, nice. Can you please tell me how many meters are from one building to other?
There will be approximately 200 meters difference between them. I mean, this why I like this building, because this is located across of the two streets, which means you have 100% guarantee that no one's going to build here anything.
So we are at the entering of this building.
There is the main entrance of this building. There is only one entrance and two big elevators. As I said, this is a government program, and there will be two big fire-resistant lifts. I mean, big lifts and the fire-resistant systems too. We can go inside and check.
Let's go. So the building is 17th floor high, right?
Yes, it is, and it is almost done. Now there is some black works at the moment.
By the way, how many buildings did Lighthouse build in Batumi?
This is around 10 buildings, completed projects. We have a different kind of locations, but these locations are the best one, I think, because they are near the sea. For example, near Istanbul, we have two buildings. This one is near the stadium. For example, near the stadium we have one. So the company is trying to choose the best location for his building. Around the area is very important when you are making some building. And especially from this one, there is a stadium, there is a Hero Square, and there is also
something. Show me please the first stage. We are at the first stage. What shall be here after?
There will be commercial area. At the moment, the company is not going to sell it. We are going to rent it out, but we don't know exactly.
The ceilings will be about 5 meters.
5 to 6 meters, and there will be some.
Let's take a walk to the lifts, okay?
There is an entrance here, and as I said, here will be two elevators, big elevators, and the quality of these elevators will be quite good.
Okay. Two big elevators.
Yes, for one entrance, I think two good elevators is enough.
Okay, we are on the 16th floor of this building now, and let's take a walk along the stage. Can you please tell me how many apartments on the stage?
As usual, on one floor there is around 20 apartments, different kind of squares. The smallest one is 32 studio type, and it's sold out. And the biggest one, this is 122.6 square meters.
Okay, and what is the price per square meter in this building? The minimal and the maximum?
Yes, as usual, it's depend on the floor and the view. The minimum one this is $470, and the maximum this is $650.
470 up to 650.
Yes.
That depends on a stage?
Of course, it depends on the stage.
And does it
the
depend on the position on the floor?
For
Okay.
example, now we can see the corner side apartment. This is the best one in this project, and he got the best price and highest price in this.
So we are at the apartment
123.6 square meters.
123.6.
Yes.
What is the price for this corner apartment?
So until 24, this is $550 and up plus $50.
550. Okay.
Yes.
There shall be a bedroom, I think. Yes.
Yes. So there will be approximately from 3 to 5 independent rooms. It depends on the customers, of course. But around, as you see, there is a lot of windows and balconies. So while planning, this is the best option if you want to big apartment.
So here will be one bedroom. Let's take a walk.
And there will be maybe some studio.
Uh-huh.
And
Let's take a walk to the balcony because there is a perfect sea view from here. From
like
here.
This apartment, he has a double view. I mean, from this side you can see the stadium, and from this side.
Yeah, the stadium is quite.
Yes.
Generally, you can see even people on the stadium during the match.
I cannot tell you that you can check inside things, but people you can see, of course. And this side you will have the sea view.
And how many meters are from here to the sea?
This is around maximum 600 meters.
600. It
Yes.
will take about 10 minutes of walking straight to the.
Yes, it is. And there is a street, which means for a while no one gonna build anything here.
So there is the street in Asaridze right here, at the, and from the other side is beer manufacturer.
Yes, this is the most popular place in Batumi.
Okay, let's take a walk to another apartment. We are at the apartment of how many square meters?
This is around 48 square meters, and he got
48.
Yes, and he got a big balcony here.
So the most part of this apartment is the balcony.
Yes, this is more like a terrace type.
So here you can make a studio, and here you can put glasses for the perimeter,
Yes.
and make a perfect room or terrace, or maybe two rooms,
Terrace,
because
they cannot make some heavy construction.
yeah, light construction,
Yes.
but like windows.
Yes,
So you
it is
can
possible.
put a small roof here, and the roof of here will be about 4 meters. It will be very interesting
This will be-
planning. Okay, 48 square meters. How many? The prices? What about the prices?
So price from this one is around $580.
580
Yes.
up to.
On the terrace, for example, this is a 16th floor. On the 17th floor, all apartments are selling with the terraces.
Okay.
So price is $650 with terrace all the time.
Okay, I see. So as for me, I think I can make here 2 rooms to put light constructions like windows, kind of roof here, and it will be very high ceiling,
Yes.
and 2
it will be
rooms.
beautiful with glasses, and you will have.
Yes, you can see
one more place.
snowy mountains from here.
And this is the most sunny side. In Batumi, this is very important because we got winters here.
Yeah, I get it. And here you can put like a living room, I think.
Yes.
And the small balcony here is also.
Around 3.5.
So for smoking, and yeah, apartment of 55 square meters.
Yes.
Could you please tell me the price for square meters of this apartment? For this apartment? Let's take a walk to the balcony.
We have this kind of apartment under only 20 floors and only this side, 3 sides. And from
It's a perfect sea view here. Yes. Okay.
Yes. And the price for this one until 24, there is a $530 with Black Friday.
530.
Yes.
Okay, and the maximum price for
This is a maximum because up we don't have this apartment. All of them are
how
sold
many
out.
apartments are left in this building?
This is around 15 maximum.
15 apartments.
Yes, yes.
So generally it is about 100 or how many apartments in the whole building?
There is around 120 apartments.
So about 10% are left. Okay, let's take a look. By the way, can you please tell me what shall be in the inner space of the corridors, how it will be decorated? I mean, what kind of material will be used for walls? Because I saw Venetian.
Yes, I
like-
understand. But there will be some paints, and on the floor there will be stones. So the quality will be the good because this is, as I said, government project. So there will be some good materials because, as you see, this area is big too. I mean, entrances is quite big too, and there will be some adding lights. It will be quite light, and I think very beautiful.
So it will be a high-class building for living or economic class building?
It will be economic class because this is a usual living complex, but this is a government program, and this will be the best project in this.
Payments, can it be on this level? Delayed for some months? The whole payment?
Yes, of course. As I said, the project will be ready at the end of September. So company is offering you inside installment, of course, 0% interest, and it will be around 7 months. And yes, 7 months, and down payment usually this is 30% total amount. On this down payment, we are making the per purchase agreement free.
Okay. What is the cheapest price for a flat here?
Yes, the cheapest one. This is $470 for.
No, I mean the whole sum. 55 square meters for 470.
So the 55 we already have with the street view. So the price there is for per square meter $530. This is totally around $29,000 around for one street.
29.
Yes.
And how much will cost the repairment inside the apartment? Can it be offered from your company?
Sorry.
Do you offer repairment turnkey apartments?
We are offering you, if you want our customer he can order the renovation too. This is around $300, and it is depend of the quality. This is depend of the area of the apartment. So we are.
Does it include the furniture?
No, this is just renovation. I mean, inside lines, painting, the floor, and
climatic system or kitchen?
Without kitchen.
Without
kitchen. Just renovation, floors and walls, and painting.
I see. So about $29,000. That's the cheapest one, and the repairment 300 per square meter.
But as I said, this is depend of the quality. Maybe it will be $250. Depend what customer wants, kind of quality. Maybe medium, maybe high.
I would like to ask people who watch this video to write in the comments what information also will be interesting to know about buildings, so I can make videos more and more informative.
Yes.
Thank you, Shurana, for your
Have a nice
information.
Day. Any questions?
See you. Thank you very much.